still quiet, not too much going on. It's taking its time to change, and it really is cold out there. We've been drawing in some really chilly weather from the near continent, and these are some of the latest temperatures across the south. High Wycombe just around freezing, Heathrow only just 2 degrees. It is a raw afternoon, and to top it all, we've got leaden skies as well, even a little bit of drizzle, so it's a miserable start to the new week. Now further north it's pretty cloudy as well. It's brightened up just a touch recently in Belfast, and you may even see a little sunshine before it clouds over again later this afternoon. And there will be quite a lot of cloud coming back in again across many parts of Scotland, with some drizzly rain pepping up too. Now we've got southerly winds in the north. That's keeping things on the mild side at 9 or 10 degrees, but obviously the cold theme is still the main story here across central and southeastern parts of Britain. Temperatures, as I said, only 3 or 4 degrees at best. Little change in the south tonight, staying cloudy and largely frost-free, but the north will see changes. Our first batch of rain comes in across Scotland, and then we see another more organised area of wet weather speeding its way eastwards across Scotland and Northern Ireland, and it will be pretty heavy, I think, that rain across the mountains of Scotland and Northern Ireland. There'll also be gale-force southwesterly winds driving that rain eastwards, so some miserable weather to start the day across Scotland and Northern Ireland tomorrow. Now further south, not too much rain to start the day, but we will see that wet windy weather moving in, eventually developing up through the Irish Sea areas to North Wales and Northern England. Gale force winds here too, so a pretty gusty afternoon. But the south should stay dry, rather cloudy, but hopefully eventually it will feel just a little bit better. It's cold obviously today, tomorrow just getting up to around 6 or 7 degrees, and eventually the mild air will creep in tomorrow night. By midweek, a calmer, quieter interlude. We get rid of the worst of the gales for a time anyway, and the rain, and there will be some welcome sunshine. But more rain will come back in on Wednesday night and Thursday. That'll push very quickly eastwards, and Thursday looks as though it'll be a colder day again, with strong to gale force winds just about everywhere. A very windy day Thursday, and there's a risk of severe gales across the north. Some of those showers even turning to sleet and snow over the higher parts. So let's just take a look at the main message then. Obviously a quiet start to the week, but things really do start to get very lively from tonight onwards. 2 main spells of windy weather. I should think the worst of that really on Thursday, but at least in between the rain bands there will be some welcome sunshine at long last. Darren.
Isabel, getting pretty interesting now. We're all going to see spells of wind and rain, and even a little bit